Yes, but we had discussed the synthetic fibers, right? In synthetic fibers, we had discussed the video. All of you had seen the video, right? The two topics were there in the video, that is the synthetic fibers. So in that videos, I told you that the synthetic fibers, they are having the high tensile strength and they are having the less water absorbing capacity. Two activities were there, right? I am going to show you the one of the activity. Have a look of this activity, that water absorbing, nylon absorbing less water. Have a look. Look here carefully. Wait. You can see, to compare the water absorbing capacity of nylon, that is synthetic fabric or the fiber, and cotton, that is a natural fiber, right? Now we are just seeing that.
As a synthetic fiber and cotton cloth as a natural fiber.
Right?
The material is as follows: a cotton cloth and a nylon cloth, two beakers containing equal amount of water. First, we will dip cotton cloth in the water. Then we will dip nylon cloth. Now we will squeeze the cloths.
You can see what he is doing. He was squeezing the both the clothes and keep it aside. Right?
Now we will see the level of water.
You can check the level of the water in both the bowls.
The level of water is more in this cup and the level of water less in this cup. This means that nylon cloth absorbs less water and cotton cloth absorbs more water. Here.
Is it clear? Is this activity clear to everyone? Gagan, clear? All of you had seen. Actually, I was not able to put the videos over here, YouTube video. That's why I'm showing it to you. Like, you can also perform these kind of the activities at home, and you will observe that the dresses, the clothes, the curtains that are made up of the synthetic fibers, they will absorb less water as compared to the cotton clothes. Because when we will dry it in the sun, when we will dry both the pieces of like curtains as well as your dresses, cotton dresses, so the nylon curtains, they will dry quickly because they absorb less water, right? So synthetic fibers, they absorb less water as compared to the cotton fibers, yani ki natural fibers. That activity is clear to everyone, right? Now today we will discuss about the new topic, that is the plastic. All of you very much familiar with the plastic. Most of the things in our houses are made up of the plastic containers, plastic bottles, plastic bowls, right? Plastic buckets, mugs, number of the things we are having that is made up of the plastic, right? Most of you had seen the different type of the plastic at your home. Like sometime we used to say that it is a good plastic because it is a Tupperware plastic and this is the cheap plastic, that we are familiar. That means today's age is the plastic era. आज की जो age है, that is the plastic era, right? Now, what are the benefits of the plastic? Where we are using the plastic? What are the qualities of the plastic? Right? No doubt we are using number of plastic. What is the arrangement of these, matlab the monomers that made the plastic chain? what are the arrangement of the monomers in this plastic? Today we will discuss about each and everything like that comes under the plastic. Suppose I am just giving you the example, like we are having the switches, right? That can they easily melt if the current will pass? No. That means that is a good plastic, right? And sometime you used to take the plastic bowl or the plastic plate and keep it in the microwave. Sometime it melts, sometime it melts, right? How? Yeah, if we are keeping the plastic plate near to the flame, burner's flame, okay? So what will happen? That will start melting. You have observed the plastic polythene bags. Polythene bags, if you will start melting, it will start melt and stick. Shrink ho jata hai, right? So that means the plastic, no doubt we are using the number of the plastics, like the number of the things that is made up of the plastic. But we will discuss the advantages as well as the disadvantages of the plastic, right? Now first we will discuss, look here, we will discuss about the plastics, that the plastics these are, what these are. As the synthetic fibers, these are made up of the small units called the monomers. In the same way, plastics are also made up of the small units called the monomers, right? Small monomers, small units, they will combine to form the polymers, like the same. They combine together to form the bigger units, right? Now, what do you understand by this? That these are usually made up of the carbon compounds. These are having the carbon in it, right? Now we will discuss plastics. These are soften on heating, and when we will cool these things, they become the harder, right? Arrangement of the monomers in the two different ways. Right? Example, if we will consider about the plastic examples, we are having the number of the examples: bakelite, right? PVC, that is polyvinyl chloride. I will tell you where the PVCs are used. Polyvinyl chloride, I will tell you where we are using this PVC, where we are using, right? Then you can say plastic, polythene bags, you can say, rather than to write down the plastic, you can write down polythene bag. These are the number of the examples of the plastic. Now we will discuss the arrangement of the molecules, arrangement of the monomers, arrangement of the units in it. Write down, depending upon the arrangement, depending upon the arrangement of units, plastics are of two types. Matlab the arrangement. One arrangement is called linear arrangement. You can say arrangement of units. Write down plastics arrangement कह सकते हैं हम. Plastics linear arrangement, cross-linked arrangement. Right? These are the linear arrangement, different type of arrangements. Linear arrangement like this. I'm just making in this way the units, monomers. This is the linear arrangement. Means these are attached one by one. And what will happen in the cross-linked? This is an example of the cross-linked arrangement. In this linear arrangement, these are of the symmetry like a sequence aligned. As in the cross-link, these are arrangement in this form. On the basis of the arrangement, plastics are of the two types. अब हम इसके बाद plastics की quality we will discuss. This is the thermoplastic. and the arrangement that is present in that plastic, in which plastic, that is called thermosetting plastic. Write down the next topic. On the basis of, you will make a table in this question because we will write the differentiation between the thermoplastic and thermosetting, right? Depend, you can say, on the basis of reaction to heat, temperature, reaction to heat, temperature, right? Basis on the reaction to heat, temperature, arrangement, plastics are of two types, thermoplastic and thermosetting. Right? Two plastics are there, thermoplastic as well as the thermosetting. Now we will differentiate between these two plastics with the parameters also. So here we will write down the parameters, right? Now the first parameter on which we are differentiating this thermoplastic and thermosetting, that is nature. First parameter, nature. What is the nature of the thermoplastic? A plastic which can be melted by heating, hardened on cooling, and can be molded again and again to get the desired shape. Write down a plastic that can be melted on heating and harden on cool down. Yeah, you can say harden on cooling, harden on cooling, and molded again and again, molded again and again into, molded again and again, right, into different shapes. Right? This is the first difference between the thermoplastic, first point, that is thermoplastic, and now I am writing down the thermosetting. A plastic which once molded into, a plastic which once molded into desired shape, which once molded into desired shape, once it is decided, and then it will not be changed shape, desired, yeah, into a particular shape, does not become soft on heating, does not become soft on heating, and cannot be molded again and again, right? Cannot be molded again and again. You can write down, cannot be molded again and again. These are called the thermosetting plastic, right? Write it down, then we will discuss the second parameter. We will write down effect of heat. Effect of heat. Now I am going to erase this one. What will be the effect? As we had written that it can be molded and they will become softened on heating. So what will be the effect? What will be the effect? What will be the effect of the thermoplastic? They become soft on heating. They become soft on heating. And what is the effect of heating on the thermoplastic setting? They do not become soft. They do not become soft, right? Third, effect of temperature. Third parameter, effect of temperature. Naturally, if they are not become soft on heating, so they are less resistant to the high temperature. As I told you, when we will keep the plates, plastic plates in the microwave, so they start melting if they are not good plastic, right? So you can write less resistant to high temperature. Less resistant to high temperature. Then more resistant to high temperature. That's why the switches हैं, these are made up of the thermosetting plastic because they will not melt on high temp with the high temperature. Now the next is toughness. Next parameter, toughness. Toughness. Now what we will write down under this point, that means they are less tough or elastic and they are rigid and less elastic. They are less tough and elastic and they are tough and rigid. Okay. Now the last point, write down, that is the recycle. Fifth point, recycle. Naturally, thermoplastic that can be recycled. That can be recycled because it is a soft and it can be melt on heating. That's why they can be recycled. And thermosetting, they do not. Thermosetting, they cannot be recycled, right? Example, we can consider here one example, polythene PVC. Example, polythene PVC, polyvinyl chloride, vinyl chloride, and here we can write example, bakelite, melamine, bakelite, melamine, formica. These are the different examples of thermosetting. So note it down, right? After this, we will discuss the properties of the plastic that I had written. Now we will discuss the properties and uses of plastic. I am doing both the things together, properties as well as uses of plastic. So look here. Write down properties and uses of plastics, right? The first property why this age is called the plastic age. Plastic age क्यों कहते हैं? Why we are saying this? So what सबसे first point, as if we are using the metals, right? When we are using, no doubt metals are very good, but when we are using the metals, so what will happen? Might be they will react with the food stuff, might be they will be corroded. If we are using the iron, so they will be corroded with the air and the moisture. So number of the reasons we are using the plastic. The first point and the property that is called non-reactive. Write down the first point, that is non-reactive. As iron gets corroded, so we are not using iron everywhere, right? So why we are using plastic? So you will write down, they do not react with air and water. They do not react with air and water as the metals or as the iron corroded. So they do not react. So we are using this one. Okay? Here the question, as I told you, I will discuss the uses also. I am writing the question also, right? Whatever I am writing in the uses, it will come in the form of the question, right? My point is clear? Whatever I am writing in the uses, that will come in the form of the question also. Here the question, what kind of the question here, which question can be framed here? Water pipes, water tanks, sanitary fittings, these are made up of plastic. Why? And uses also you can write, water pipes, sanitary fitting, PVC are made up of plastic. I am writing again, I am telling, I am writing the uses also. These are used for making water pipe, water tankers. Water tankers also you can write. Here you can write water tankers also. These all, so these are the uses. You can write these are used for to make all these things. So question can be framed, why these are used, right? Why these are made up of the plastic? Reason. So reason you can write down, as they are non-reactive. They do not show the reaction with the air and moisture. That's why we are making the water tanks, water pipes, sanitary fittings. All these are made up of the plastic. Is this question clear? Is this point clear to everyone? Right. Now the next is, it is used for making, like you can say non-reactive. So these are also used for making the curtains also, bathroom curtains. Bathroom curtains used to make it because they will not show any reaction with the water. That's why we are using this plastic, right? Right on the second point, plastics are light. Plastics are light in weight. You can say light in weight. Plastics are light in weight. So what we will consider under this point, where you had seen the plastics are light in weight. If I am telling you the example in this case, that you can consider the thermocol. You can consider thermocol, right? You can write down the example thermocol. Thermocol, all of you are aware with the thermocol. These are very light in weight. Okay? Where we are using, we are making the disposable cups, disposable plates with the help of the thermocol, and even the fragile items. Fragile items means TV, refrigerator, AC. All of you had seen with the packing of the refrigerator or AC, outside that is the thermocol packing is there. होती है? All of you had seen the thermocol is there. ठीक है? That is for the fragile. Fragile item means the breakable. Breakable items के sides पे we used to keep the thermocol. Why we are keeping? To protect it. Because these are very light in weight, right? And disposable cups. Write down. These are used for making. You can write down. These are used for making disposable cups, cups, plates, ठीक है, packaging material for fragile item, packaging material for fragile items, right? Is this point clear ki why it is used for the packaging for the fragile items, right? TV, refrigerator, even your mobile phones, ठीक है, laptops, all these are surrounded with the thermocol sheets to protect it, right? Next लिखिए, plastics are strong and durable. Third property, write down the third property. Plastics are strong and durable. This is very important point because here I am giving you the one example and the question will come from that example also. I am giving you the example of melamine. Example, melamine. And I am writing the question in the bracket, right? Melamine is called the versatile material. You can say it is a versatile material. What is the meaning like this versatile material? That means the number of the uses, number of the products are formed. That's why it is called the versatile material. Why melamine is called the versatile material, right? And what are the example of strong and durable plastic? That is melamine. Dharya, is it clear, bete? Right? 8C, Dharya. Now I am just writing down the examples of this. Like these are used where the melamine is used. And the question I told you, the question we can frame it, why it is called versatile material. So write down, it is used for making kitchenware, right? Unbreakable dinnerware, unbreakable dinner sets, floor tiles, unbreakable dinner set, floor tiles, decorative objects, fire resistant, decorative objects, fire resistant objects, these are used for making number of the products. That's why it is called the versatile material, right? Strong and durable may we can take another example. First example we had taken the melamine. Second example I am taking the polythene bags that are also strong and durable. That's why when we used to go to the shopping, so we use these polythene bags because they carry the number of the products. We can keep the number of the things in this polythene bags. For carry bags we are using. And the third example, PVC. PVC, that is polyvinyl chloride. First example, melamine. Second, polythene bag. And third is PVC. It is also for use to make the tiles, toys, furnitures, and bottles. Make tiles, toys, bottles, number of the uses, right? The next point, next is it clear? Now the next is plastics are poor conductor of, I am writing the separate points, but you can write the single point also that the plastics are the poor conductor of heat and electricity. I am taking it as a separate point. Plastics are poor conductor of heat. First, I am going to consider the heat, then we will discuss the electricity, because I will tell you the examples under this, right? You can write it a separate point also and a single point also. Plastics are poor conductor of heat. Example, सबसे the best example we will consider it here, bakelite. Bakelite. Again, the question will come from here, because the bakelite is used for making handles of utensils. Handles